Good morning, everyone. We have now concluded four whole weeks of classes in an 8-week course. This is the equivalent of more than half of the course, or 2 months and 1.5 of the class in a regular semester. Hope you're having a good weekend. So here we go on to week 5. Here are some items for you to be aware of this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Here's 2 new chapters, or the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Blackboard. Here's a summary of what's coming due this week. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 3 is due Friday, July 20th by 11:59 p.m. Cultural Geography Special Topic Discussion number 3 is due Saturday, July 21st by 11:59 p.m. I'm still grading your Special Topics Discussion number 2 between tonight and tomorrow. I hope to grade Reflection number 2 as well. Make sure you have completed Map Quiz number 2. You can always submit after the deadline, but you will be marked late, which means some point will likely be deducted. Make sure and submit exam number 2 that is due tonight. Some of you have already done so. A friendly reminder to make sure and make references to your textbook and lecture notes for both the reflections and the special topics discussions. While most of you are following the guidelines, some of you have lost points because you do not refer to the course material. In an online class where you can use Google and many other sources, I want to make sure you're writing this within the context of cultural geography. Please remember to log in into the course at least once a day so I can see where you are, that you're active in class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course, and it tells me whether you're active in the class or not. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.